In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use emotes here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. It's super simple, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you can literally do this in any game mode, multiplayer, zombies, a private match, anything. And the cool part is, when you emote, the game is going to switch you into a third-person view, which lets you see your operator model, your poses, and your animations. So once your match actually starts, what you're going to want to do is press left on the D-pad or U on the keyboard to pull up a page that looks something like this. We could switch between your emotes and your sprays, and essentially what you're going to want to do is then follow whatever keybind there is. So on a controller, this would be up on the D-pad, right on the D-pad, down on the D-pad, left on the D-pad, or on mouse and keyboard, you can either just hit the keybind or specifically select whatever emote you want to do, and boom, look, you're going to be doing that emote. Now, you might look a little bit goofy. It is Call of Duty emotes. I don't think there's ever been one that's looked too good, but nonetheless, this allows you to do a bunch of different stuff, including things like inspect your weapon. You can even scroll through your different emotes, or you can pick any of those unlocked animations. Just highlight whatever you want, select it, and your character is going to switch into third person. You can even rotate your camera while the animation is playing, so you can keep an eye on your surroundings. And there's a ton of different emotes that you can unlock as you level up or through the store, so you can customize whatever shows up in your wheel. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.